think I'm doing a girls' Valentine's Day with like my roommates, and we're hanging out in the apartment because we're all single. So, yeah.
Probably staying inside, trying to stay warm.
I'm gonna go along with her. With the weather, we won't be able to do much. So.
Cuddle up with the dogs.
Trying to stay warm because that's going to be like the biggest snow day.
Probably just to hang out with the girls. Yeah, I'm not doing much.
I honestly have no clue. If it does snow when it's supposed to, then I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be camping in my house, and I'm probably not going to be doing much.